front of us, and we began to understand two things: space and time. He demonstrated is in your command. So a lot of the paintings he did in front of us was done in 2 minutes. Now, we always thought, including me as a writer, that the number of hours you spend on something really shows the quality of your work and the layers you could build. But he showed that spontaneously, that if you actually break those barriers from your mind, time is of no consequence. It's you who determine how much time you want to do that. And space was the other thing he taught, which is a very difficult dimension, and I will not speak about it because I still don't understand about a lot of what he says on this. And the other, I think, the approach was fearlessness. He always talked of us walking in the valley of death. And so mortality and your understanding of mortality and your linking with others became a very, very critical part of your understanding of yourself. And all this through was experiential. Nothing ever that he told us. He's like a Sufi master in many senses. He teaches you by demonstration, by his own experience, by his actions, and not by just those wonderful speeches or philosophies that a lot of our gurus do. He actually brings a completely fresh breeze of yoga and spiritual thought to India. And I think that's the sort of wizardry of Bharat, if I could call it that, is that it has no forms. He breaks a lot and brings it to a new generation which needs to understand a lot of these things. Today we have the Yoga Day, but actually he's popularized yoga across the world, and I know that as a fact. Even in Russia, even in Azerbaijan, even in Dubai, wherever you go, you hear about artistic yoga, and I think that's his special contribution. And today's exhibition, in some senses, symbolizes his teachings. It's Sufi in thought. When we say...
May I invite Seema to present Mrs. Fadnavis with her bouquet. Seema is a very senior yoga teacher with artistic yoga.
श्री भरत ठाकुर जी, राज चेंगप्पा जी, संगीता बिजलानी, भूमिका चावला जी, सोहा अली खान, Mr. Bhaskar, media and friends. It's an honor to be here today at this inaugural ceremony of Bharat ji's exquisite painting exhibition, Spectre, Spirit and Shadows. As the name says, it is exquisite, beyond boundaries, beyond colors, beyond reasons, and I'm sure the critics would love it, including all of us. I believe that painting, if I think about a painting, I feel it is a poetry which can be felt, which can be seen. And poetry is like painting, which can again be felt and seen with it like a painting. So for me, both are quite the same, but so different. And it is a part of our creativity which comes from within. And this creativity, I feel, looking at this one single painting of Sir, that it comes from a person whose chakras are enlightened, who is definitely the best yogic guru. And I would like to say that when we look at yoga, we should look at it as not just a physical well-being activity, but it has to be it should enlighten us from within. It should make us aware of the sensibilities and improve our senses. And that is what yoga is understood internationally as. And as we practice it more and more, it takes us near the divine, and which is about our journey, our internal journey, and it is through us and it is for us. So here, after looking at this painting, I'm sure we are very, very eager to look at these other paintings. And I'm sure these paintings will take us to a different world altogether. Different enlightenment, different understanding. And Bharatji having done it, I'm sure that it has a different level of sensibilities and different level of human understanding. Here I would like to say that whatever we have to do in life, these are the stressful times we are going through. Yoga is one of the best options we can opt for. Internationally, Modi ji has brought yoga in the forefront. Even we are also celebrating Yoga Days today, Yoga Day today, and it is internationally approved and recognized. So through this art, you can actually give vent to your creativity in a very beautiful manner, because creativity is finally about getting enlightened, and the best way to enlighten is through yoga. And Bhumika ji, I'm sure you would be seeing this enlightenment every day, creativity growing, which shows, the happiness shows on your face, which transcends to you. And I wish sir great going in this field also. He's been painting since long, and coming out and bringing it to the limelight is again a great activity, because it inspires all of us that we can also bring out the best within us, and the best can come out when we are in our best form, which is again through some activities, some best of activity like yoga. So thank you so much for having me here. It's my pleasure to be here, and looking forward to enjoy each and every painting without any perception, without any boundaries of colors or boundaries of reasoning. Let's just enjoy the paintings and understand his level of creativity. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
You know, me and he sits for 30 hours continuously discussing art. And he whacks me quite a bit, because he says, this is going wrong and that is going wrong. So he's kind of my ustad. So let my ustad speak about my work.
A month ago, I would not have imagined standing here. And anyway, it's stupid to talk about art, because art speaks for itself. So once it is unveiled, it will speak for itself. So I am nobody to explain his works, because what I had to write, it's there right in front of you as you enter the gallery.
Wow. Each one of these, as I see them, it kind of gives me a feeling that there is a truth unlocked from the universe. It is so stunning. Bharat Thakur, I have known him for a very long time, and I have seen him when he was a yoga guru. He was just having a chat with me, and he was telling me how he was interested in doing figuratives. And then there was a long gap where he stopped doing all that, and he got a bit bored or monotonous, or I don't know, he just took a sabbatical. And he came back with a bang with these beautiful, I don't know how to express these abstract paintings, because I feel that each painting is so mysterious, it's so unique. I feel that each one of us, when we see these paintings, we see it differently. Because no two people will have the same views on abstract painting. That is what abstract is all about. I know it's been there for more than 100 years, and there are famous painters like Pollock and Monet, and now we are seeing Bharat Thakur with his fantastic work over here, which is so unique. And I do feel that when I see his paintings, it brings out a kind of a mystery and an emotion. When you see it, it kind of, I think each one of us feels like this, like he was telling me that there are these chakras and the tantras in this beautiful painting that was just unveiled by Mrs. Fadnavis. And I really think that is a stunning painting here. And it really lures you with the colors. And I'm sure that he, with his unique expressions, emotions, and ideas, and his splash of colors and strokes, brings out this beauty here, which is unveiled, and we are witnessing something which is really stunning. And I really would like to thank him for his stunning work, and I really appreciate what you're doing, and wish you all the best in the future. Thank you.
Here, ma'am. I request you to kindly unveil the next painting.
Good evening. I won't take up too much of your time. I'm certainly not an expert on art, but I think that there's one thing that Bharatji has shown us today is that you don't have to be an expert to appreciate art, and you don't have to be an expert, you don't have to have been to an institute of art or have studied art to be able to paint. So that's something that I find very inspiring. In fact, I find your life very inspiring. I think that the inspiration that I draw from it is that you can really break boundaries if you are, and all of us are artists here, but we can really express ourselves and be creative in so many different ways. I've seen only 3 or 4 of the paintings. Of course, I've been through the brochure, and I've seen a lot of the things on the internet, but I'm really looking forward to seeing your entire collection here. I know you're prolific, I know you paint very fast, and I know there are about 60-odd paintings over here that all of us are going to enjoy. I believe that this is just the beginning for you, and you have leaps and bounds to go, and I do wish you all the best. And I want to say thank you so much for inviting me here today. Inivasji also, who thought of me, and to make me a part of your celebration here. It really is a beautiful place again to be in Jahangir Art Gallery and to be in such esteemed company. And again, I think when I look at the paintings, of course, you have to, the whole idea of having a painting, of investing so much, of spending that money, buying it and putting it up on your wall and looking at it, is to appreciate the beauty, and it speaks to you. And it's lovely, and I think especially when we live in a city like Mumbai, where sometimes the skyline can get a little monotonous, and when it's the monsoon and a little gray outside, I think it's lovely to buy paintings and to look inside sometimes. And this is a window into a different life, and every time you look at it, it'll say something else to you. So it's really beautiful what you do, and I think you've inspired me in so many ways. So thank you very much, and I do wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present the lovely Bhumika Chawla and request her to do the honors.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure and honor for me to be here, not only as Bharat's spouse, but also as someone who's getting to see such varied work that he's done. It's been a surprise for me as well, because he's kept it a surprise. He's not shown anything to me so far, not much. I would like to say that starting with abstract, you know, life in itself is abstract. You don't know where it's headed, where it's coming from, and where it's going. And the colors that are added to abstract here just make it so much more beautiful. And I'm seeing all the colors here. Everything is so vibrant. And having unveiled one of the amazing collections that has taken my breath away, I think I'm so looking forward to seeing each one of the collection that's here and each one of the paintings. As Raj said, that I have actually seen him paint abstract, and I've seen him do the magic in barely less than 2 minutes. It's unbelievable. So he takes the colors and he looks at me and he says, sit there. So I'm like, okay. And then he just throws everything on the canvas and he mixes it, and 2 minutes it's ready. So it is such an amazing feeling to be a part of this, and I'm wishing you all the very best, Bharat. God bless you.
Strong, bold, but friendly are her wishes for Tanu Weds Manu and Ranjana, and known for her dramatic and powerful roles in Neel Batte Sannata, Anarkali of Arah. She has made her own and distinct mark in Bollywood with the characters she played and brought to life. Here we have Swara Bhaskar. Ladies and gentlemen, a house of talent, and we believe she can play any role with full justice.
Bharatji and Priyanka and everyone who has put this wonderful event together for inviting me. Soha, if you're not an expert in matters art, I am not just a misfit but a failure. So, you know, you may have heard of people failing in maths and science, but have you ever heard of someone failing in drawing class? That's me. So this is, of course, an honor, but I must say that I'm also a little bit intimidated and daunted by all this wonderful art that I have struggled with since my childhood days. As an actor, we need, I need for sure, dialogues, reams and reams of dialogues and words to help express what I'm supposed to be doing. But I think that all those forms of art that transcend words are truly special, because the more you go beyond language, the more universal you and your art becomes. Bharatji has helped people connect their mad, chaotic, stressful outer worlds to more centered inner worlds in his role as a guru, as a teacher. And now he gives us this sort of beautiful expressions of the soul that are universal in their abstraction and therefore accessible to all and therefore special. I'm also really looking forward to your series. I hear that, and I've seen one glimpse in the previous painting, that you have a series of portraits on the Aghoris, and I have only today found out your own a very intimate connection with that mysterious and I think often much misunderstood form of faith. We live in India and in the world at a time, faith has always been a very controversial subject. There's always people telling you how you must have faith, how you must express that faith, what you must wear if you are genuinely faithful. Now, these days in India, what you must eat if you are faithful, and what will happen to you if you don't. I think that the Aghoris are a beautiful testament to how complex and how diverse faith and spirituality can be. And in fact, at a time when in our country there is so much pressure to define spirituality and faith, this is a beautiful expression of the fact that perhaps true spirituality and true faith are beyond any kind of definition, perhaps even beyond control. So thank you so much, sir, for sort of reminding us of that and giving us the opportunity to share some of your beautiful expression. I'm really looking forward to being able to consider some of these and learn. Thank you.
जी कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पर आकर? हमने देखा आपकी स्पीच में बताया कि लेकिन आप बताइए कि
मैं बताऊँ, आप बताएंगे। मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे। एक्चुअली मुझे जैसे मैंने कहा, मैं आर्ट में एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ, लेकिन आर्ट देखने का और पेंटिंग्स देखने का बहुत शौक़ है मुझे बचपन से। अम्मा से काफ़ी कुछ सीखा है। हमारे घर में बहुत सुंदर पेंटिंग्स हैं और एक्चुअली भरत जी के बारे में मैंने बहुत कुछ सुना था कि वो गुरु हैं और योगा सिखाते हैं और बहुत जानकारी है उनकी और स्पिरिचुअल भी बहुत रहे हैं। उनकी पेंटिंग के बारे में कम जानती थी मैं, लेकिन मुझे मालूम है कि एक नया जर्नी है उनका। एक्सप्रेसिव बहुत हैं, आर्टिस्टिक बहुत हैं और जो बैरियर्स होते हैं वो बैरियर्स में बिलीव नहीं करते हैं और सारे बैरियर्स को तोड़ देते हैं। तो यहाँ पे जहाँ की आर्ट गैलरी में उनकी एग्जीबिशन, बहुत ही खूबसूरत एग्जीबिशन चली है। आई वांट टू विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट। आई वांट टू थैंक हिम फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी। इट्स ऑन फॉर द नेक्स्ट 4 days, आई थिंक 5 days here, and here we are. It's beautiful. There are more than 60 paintings और अलग अलग तरह के। ये हम मोनोक्रोम सेक्शन में है, ब्लैक एंड वाइट सेक्शन, एक्रिलिक के साथ पेंट करते हैं। Then he has a beautiful section on the Aghori Babus, which are stunning, and then some very vibrant colors as well, all abstract. And I've just learnt about his process also. वो मतलब बस पेंट उठा के फेंक देते हैं कैनवस पे। कुछ पेंटिंग्स 2-3 मिनट में बन जाती हैं, कुछ में टाइम लगते हैं। So he's very inspirational.
So what would you want to say about the trolling that recently happened during your baby shower and the whole photo that you shared on Instagram?
You know, I really don't want to say anything क्योंकि बहुत ही ridiculous था वो. So I don't think it requires any kind of response. And it wasn't actually, you know, I think it was because it was close to Eid and I was seen in a sari, and that was the problem that a few people had. But I don't think it really even dignifies a response.
Would you want to say anything about the current A.R. Rahman situation that's going on, when fans walked away from his concert in UK because he started off singing Tamil and Telugu songs and not Hindi songs?
There are, I mean, every day there's a different controversy. I think what we're here for today is what we should stick to. It's a wonderful day for Dr. Thakur, and we're all here to celebrate him and to celebrate painting. And as Swara said also in her speech, it's really about being free and being expressive. He himself is a spiritual person, a religious person, and he really teaches you about how free you can be, especially when you're celebrating something like your relationship with God. And I think that's something that we should remember.
Would you also want to throw colors on a canvas and be an artist, abstract artist?
I've always been scared of expressing myself because I felt कि आपको artist बनने के लिए school जाना पड़ता है, and you really have to be schooled in this. But I've just learned that even Bharatji has not been to any kind of he hasn't had any kind of formal art education. So I think it's possible. I think one day maybe. I've always liked the idea of having an easel and maybe playing with it. But I think I will also have a slightly abstract, because I've never been able to paint within the lines. I think my paintings will also be abstract.
And इसके अलावा इन दिनों आप अपना ध्यान कैसे रखती हैं हेल्थ का, अगर कुछ बताना चाहें?
मैं भी योगा करती हूँ. Actually, I've been doing yoga for many years, but especially पिछले 3 महीनों में मैंने बहुत योगा किया, and I've got a lot of peace from that, a lot of फिटनेस फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. तो मैं तो इनकरेज करती हूँ. सब कहते हैं कि इस टाइम पे आपको ध्यान रखना चाहिए, अपने आप का बिल्कुल रखना चाहिए, बट इट्स ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू बी एक्टिव. जो कुछ आप करते थे पहले आप अभी भी कर सकते हैं.
और इन दिनों घर पे कैसा माहौल होता है, अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहें?
घर में तो माहौल में तो सब बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हैं. अभी बस वेट ही कर रहे हैं. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. मुझे पता नहीं कि व्हाट द फ्यूचर होल्ड्स. बहुत कुछ सीखने को होगा. सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I was very excited, looking forward to it because Bharat Thakur, जैसे हम सब जानते हैं, he is very famous and known for his holistic and yoga and everything. तो it's very interesting कि जब भी कोई एक पर्सन जो अपने फील्ड में टॉप पर है और कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट फील्ड में डैबल करे, सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग व्हाट ही कम्स अप विद. एंड आई थिंक द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट आर्ट दैट आई कैन सी इज रियली नाइस. इनफैक्ट मेरा एक घर अभी मैंने खरीदा है, एंड आई वाज एक्चुअली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू बाय सम ऑफ द आर्ट फ्रॉम हियर, एंड आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू गो एंड टेल हिम द वंस आई लाइक बिकॉज एक्चुअली वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
पेंटिंग का कितना शौक है आप, अगर मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँ कि बचपन में या स्कूल में पेंटिंग ड्राइंग अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहें?
बचपन में नहीं, पेंटिंग ड्राइंग नहीं. मेरे को याद है मिस इंडिया में ना सारी लड़कियों से हमको एक कैनवस दिया था और हमसे कहा था कि जो आप पेंटिंग कर सकते हो करो, एंड इनके जो प्रोसीड्स आएंगे वो चैरिटी में जाएंगे. तो मुझे बाकी लोगों ने तो जो बनाया वो बनाया, बट पहले मैंने सोचा मैं वो माउंटेन्स एंड पानी और बोट वो सब बनाती हूँ. बचपन में सबसे पहले वही सीखा था, बट आई लैंडेड अप मेकिंग एन ओम विच वॉज वेरी कलरफुल एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. बट दैट्स ऑल आई नो अबाउट पेंटिंग. आई डोंट नो मच अबाउट पेंटिंग. But yeah, this abstract art looks really pretty, so I think I like this kind of abstract art kind of painting.
पूजा जी, इसके अलावा एक रोड सेफ्टी के ऊपर क्या मैसेज देना चाहिए, क्योंकि आप एक एक्टर हैं, लोग आपकी बातें सुनते हैं, तो कुछ मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आप?
रोड सेफ्टी मतलब ये तो एक ऐसा सीरियस टॉपिक है, आई थिंक विच वी स्टार्ट इट विल नॉट गेट ओवर बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ऑफ कोर्स वी शुड वेयर हेलमेट्स, नॉट ओनली द राइडर बट ऑल्सो द पर्सन हु सिटिंग बिहाइंड द पिलियन. मैं बहुत बार देखती हूँ कि 3 से ज़्यादा लोग बाइक्स पे भी ट्रैवल करता है. आई थिंक वी शुड अवॉइड दैट. ऑल्सो ड्रिंकिंग एंड ड्राइविंग is absolutely unsafe. I mean, not only for you, but you're putting a lot of other families and people as risk. जिनकी गलती भी नहीं होगी, आप उनको भी, they will also suffer for no fault. So it's a request if you all can just be safe and be cautious and conscious and not drink and drive. And rash मत drive कीजिए, road rules follow कीजिए, and be safe. And it's better to be late than to be late. So follow that.
Thank you, Pooja ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. पेंटिंग का ज़्यादा नॉलेज तो नहीं है, लेकिन आप बताइए कि कैसा रहा यहाँ पर आके एक्सपीरियंस, और ये सारी पेंटिंग भरत जी की अगर आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहें?
डेफिनेटली जिस चीज़ का नॉलेज नहीं होता है हमेशा सबसे बेस्ट तरीका होता है कि उस चीज़ के साथ थोड़ा समय बिताया जाए. सो आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल दैट भरत जी gave me this opportunity. I think that, as I said, that art is a very special thing because anything that doesn't require language and doesn't require words is a truly special form of expression. Bharat ji, of course, is a very well-known guru and a teacher, and now we see this other wonderful side to his personality and his persona. And I'm quite stunned, and I really am taking in all the beautiful work. And as I said, that my special favorites are his series on the Aghoris.
Did you also see a difference for our Bhaskar when he should be turning into an artist with her own abstract paintings or
No.
something? No.
No, I can rest assure you, it is never going to happen. I don't think I have that skill at all. I can barely manage to learn my lines and do my scenes. I think I will suffice myself with that.
So do you have to talk about the recent A.R. Rahman incident wherein the crowd walked away from his concert because he started singing Tamil songs and the fans were disappointed and they started shamming him and trolling him on social media?
I mean, I think it's a very silly thing and a very silly kind of reaction. I think that art and especially music has no borders. It is not something that is bound by language. And if that basic thing you don't get about music, then you don't get anything about music. So then actually you don't deserve to be sitting in that hall. So it's just as well that those people left because yeah, it will be falling on deaf ears anyway. Thank you.
एक चीज़ जानना चाहूँगा कि अभी हाल ही में एक रिजल्ट सामने निकल कर आया है जहाँ पर कैदियों को, चाहे वो आतंकवादी हो चाहे वो मर्डरर हो, उन्हें ज़्यादा पैसे देकर खाना खिलाया जाता है। तो वही नेवी और आर्मी है वो 97 रुपीज़ में अपना सर्वाइवल करते हैं पूरे दिन का, अगर हम बजट जाने तो इस पर आपका क्या टेक है कि क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I mean, I don't think इस पर कुछ कहने की बात है यार। जो भी रूल्स हैं वो सबके लिए सेम होने चाहिए। अगर कुछ लोग और कहीं पर भी, चाहे वो जेल के अंदर हो या वो जेल के बाहर हो, so I think that rules must be followed and any kind of corruption in that is wrong. This is obvious. इसमें क्या बोल सकते हैं?
संगीता जी का जानना चाहेंगे आपसे कि कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पर आके हमने देखा ढेरों सारी पेंटिंग को आपने इनॉग्रेशन भी किया।
सुनाई नहीं देता है ना, फिर
आएंगे वो आपके पास,
सुनाई नहीं देता है।
एक्सपीरियंस। हाँ, कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा। पहली बात तो ये पेंटिंग्स है या एक अनहोनी कहानी है। हर एक पेंटिंग में मुझे एक कहानी नज़र आती है जो अगर आप देखोगे तो आपको अलग कहानी नज़र आएगी, अगर मैं देखूंगी तो मुझे अलग कहानी नज़र आती है उसमें। मैं सोचती हूँ कि ये एक मिरेकल है। एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग्स एक मिरेकल होते हैं, तो मेरे लिए ये वही है। क्योंकि अगर आप एक पेड़ दिखा रहे हो या 10 पेड़ दिखा रहे हो, ये आपका नज़रिया, आप एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में क्या देखते हो, यही उसकी खासियत होती है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग की। तो मेरे लिए ये बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगता है, मुझे एक मिस्ट्री सा लगता है हर एक पेंटिंग में, क्योंकि हर एक पेंटिंग में एक कहानी जैसी होती है। आपकी स्टोरी अलग है, इनकी स्टोरी अलग है, तो आप देखोगे तो कहोगे नहीं मुझे ये ऐसा लगता है, मगर मुझे लगता है कि ये इसमें एक जंगल है, मगर आपको लगेगा नहीं सिर्फ एक पेड़ है। तो मेरे लिए जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग्स है बहुत ही अमेजिंग मीडियम है, और उनके जो कलर्स हैं और जो स्ट्रोक्स हैं, उनका जो प्ले है उसमें, और जो भरत जी की इमोशंस है उसमें, उनकी आइडियाज़ है और उनके एक्सप्रेशंस है उसमें, और एक बहुत ही ऑनेस्टी है इन पेंटिंग्स में। तो एक बहुत ऑनेस्ट फीलिंग सा नज़र आता है मुझे इसमें। और ख़ास तौर जो मैंने अघोरी बाबा की पेंटिंग्स देखे अभी, वो बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक है, क्योंकि एकदम रियल लगता है। मैं वही पूछ रही थी भरत जी से कि आप ये कैसे करते, तो कह रहा था चौक से जो हर एक दाढ़ी का एक एक बाल जो नज़र आ रहा है उसमें, बहुत ही मतलब दिमाग घूम गया देखकर ना, बढ़िया सा है। और ये जो उनकी मीडियम्स है और जो हाथ से करते हैं, मुझे लगता है कि हाथ से, क्योंकि मैं जब ब्लॉग लिखती हूँ तो मैं लिखती हूँ तो मैं हाथ से लिखती हूँ पहले, फिर टाइप करती हूँ। तो मुझे लगता है कि हाथ की जो एनर्जी, अपनी जो एनर्जी आती है बाहर, जो भरत जी आप हाथ से पेंट करते हैं, वो कलर स्प्लैश करते हैं और कोई ब्रशेस नहीं यूज़ करते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि जो अंदरूनी एनर्जी होती है हर एक इंसान की, उसमें से जो एनर्जी बाहर आती है, उसका जो कयामत, जो नज़रिया आपको दिखता है, जो मैजिक जिसको कहते हैं आपको दिखता है, वो आपको नज़र आ रहा है इसमें, और मुझे भी नज़र आ रहा है इसमें एक यूनिकनेस है इन पेंटिंग्स में। तो मुझे बहुत ही एक्साइटमेंट हो रहा है ये सब देखकर, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे।
अच्छा संगीता जी, हम देख रहे हैं कि बहुत सारे एक्टर जो है कमबैक कर रही हैं और बहुत ही अच्छा भी करी। आप बताइए कि कुछ ऐसा प्लान या कुछ हम धमाकेदार कर रहे हैं?
मुझे लगता है कि कोई एक्टर कमबैक नहीं करता है, क्योंकि वंस एन एक्टर ऑलवेज एन एक्टर। ये जस्ट बस आपके ऊपर है कि आपको कुछ पसंद आया तो आपने कर लिया, और आप अगर स्क्रिप्ट्स पढ़ते हो कभी कुछ अच्छा लगता है तो कर लेते हैं। ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि कमबैक होता है, मुझे लगता है।
हम आपको ऐसा कुछ धमाका करते हुए देखेंगे, मतलब इन फ्यूचर या कुछ ऐसा प्लान है?
मैं एक्टिंग करूँ या ना करूँ उसमें धमाका ही है।
अच्छा, एक आखिरी सवाल कि हमेशा आपके बारे में बात की, आप बहुत ही फिट और फाइन रहती हैं, तो कैसे बताना चाहेंगे आपको?
मैं योगा करती हूँ, मैं बहुत सारा मेडिटेशन करती हूँ, मैं प्राणायाम्स करती हूँ। तो भरत जी से जब मैं बहुत पहले मिली थी तब मुझे भी पता चला था कि वो योगा गुरु ही हैं आप। तो मगर मैं उनसे सीखी नहीं हूँ, मगर मैं उनको जानती हूँ। और मेरे योगा गुरु मेरे पापा हैं, जिनसे मैं सीखी हूँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें। तो मैं फिटनेस के तौर पे योगा करती हूँ, प्राणायाम्स करती हूँ, मेडिटेशन करती हूँ और जिम भी करती हूँ। तो मुझे एक पैशन है फिटनेस से, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि अपने आप को फिट रखना, हेल्दी रखना, अच्छी चीज़ें खाना।
थैंक यू सो मच।